Today, after detailed discussion with the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, we have realized that there are a lot of challenges that the councils today are facing all over the state. In the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, the salaries required annually reach up to 70 plus crores, whereas the revenues don't even touch 30 crores. And hence there is a huge deficiency and a gap between revenue and expenditure. The similar conditions are there in other district councils where financial problems are there in the Jylla Hills and to some extent in Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The district councils are a very important institution in our state, and the district councils are also a symbol of our culture and of our traditions. Hence, it is absolutely necessary for the state government to ensure that not only do the councils work properly, but they also thrive and ensure that different aspects of our tradition and our culture and different aspects of landholding are taken care of. Keeping these aspects in mind, we as a government have decided that coming November 1st, 2025, the government of Meghalaya will be paying the salaries for the different autonomous district councils. This will be a historic moment where once the salaries are paid, the different district councils can then focus on the different areas of concerns and development aspects and different traditional and aspects of culture. The procedure to ensure that this is implemented in a proper manner will be worked out by a committee that will engage with all the district councils, namely the Khasi, Garo, and the Jylla Hills District Council. This committee will take 45 days to ensure that they engage with all the councils and ensure that these systems are in place so that the salaries can be paid to the district councils by the state government. I also want to assure the district councils and the citizens at large that there will be no interference in the day-to-day functioning nor into the jurisdiction of the district councils. Our intention is only to bring financial stability, a proper system so that the councils are able to pay salaries on time and so that they can continue to function and work as per the mandate of the Constitution. Earlier today, I also had a meeting with the Honorable Governor and shared these different points, took guidance from him, and as per his directions, these decisions are going to be finalized. And in the cabinet tomorrow, we will be officially taking these decisions to ensure that every aspect of what was discussed with the Honorable Governor will be implemented in letter and spirit. Thank you.